Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Today want to talk with you about the investment in the stock market. This is absolutely amazing tool to make extra money, to make extra income, and the most important that this income can be fully passive. This is absolutely great, and I want to share with you the platform that I'm trading on. This is IQ option, and of course all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. So be my guest, use my links, go to the platform and become a part of big family of investors, because this is important and this is absolutely great. So what you can find on this platform, let's see what's happening. There's plenty of interesting tools and options, binary, digital, forex, and stocks. We need the stocks. Here you have 185 options to make money. 185 companies worldwide known, and you know almost, I think, the most part of this list. And of course you can make money on it. How? This is actually pretty simple and pretty easy. There's a couple ways to make money on stock market. You should think about it like about the ownership of the company. So for example, Twitter, the Twitter company, I bought some stocks of Twitter company for $1,000, and right now I have my profit almost 4,000, and this is 392% of profit. Like right now asset is closed, but the point is that for like a couple days I've made almost 400% of profit based on my investment. I want to show you my portfolio. If you can see, 67%, 67,000. So I doubled. I have 205% of profit based on my investment, and you can do the same. All you need is just to get to the platform and try to do it. You don't need to like have big amounts of money, because you can start literally with $10. This is the minimum amount of deposit for investment, for start investing. And I'm sure that you spending more money for coffee daily, and if you will not drink a coffee and will make your money to work on you, this is gonna be great. For example, Twitter, McDonald's, and the point is to catch the heights. For example, I bought it right here, but I know that for example it was right here, and it's growing, so it will grow more. Right now there's small down movement, but it will grow for sure, because let's see, like that, you see there was falling down, deep falling down, and this was the great place, of course, to press the buy button and to grow your stocks for 200%, for example. But you can gain money, you can make money in any spot, in any like time period. There's three ways to get money from the stock investment. You can hold the stocks. For example, like I bought it here and I'm waiting while it's gonna be much more expensive, the price will be higher, and then after that I'll close my position and will get my profit. Or there's a short period of time trading and the long period of time. A long period I prefer it most, because in the long period of time you can make like more money. For example, today I bought this company stocks, and right here I can see that for 1 day I made 5% of profit. I can close this position and I'm getting my money. That's pretty awesome. I think it's pretty awesome. And right now, if you can see the situation, that price is near to the bottom and it will grow. I want to buy again. So if you believe that the price will go up, you press in the buy button. If you know that the price will go down, you press in the sell button. And there's small fee, of course. Let's wait a couple minutes and we'll see what's happening with this company. The asset is available right now. For example, I am the owner of the Coca-Cola company. It's funny, isn't it? I'm the small owner of the Coca-Cola company, and all the factories, all the plants that producing the Coca-Cola working for me as well. And this is pretty interesting because you need to think about it like about the ownership of the company. If you tried at least once to open your own business, you know that it's pretty complicated. You need all those techniques, you need to build like a factory, for example. But here everything is made without you, and all you need to do is to like invest some amount of money. It can be $10, $20, $100, couple hundreds, thousands, but the main point that you're doing nothing and the company is working for you. And this is great. I believe this is great. This tool, this platform allows me to like make money 24/7. And you see this great widget right here, buy and sell. So 90% of people believe that the price will go up, and I do. So I pressed buy button right here. It went up, it's going down right now, but I think it's gonna grow, and in that case I will get my money. And look at that list. Look at that list. Absolutely, for sure, you know all those companies, and you can like buy telecommunication companies, you can buy the beauty companies, even the football clubs, and of course everybody knows the Tesla, Amazon. Those assets are closed right now, but you can open the pending position, so when it's gonna open, you'll see it, and the platform will buy or sell this asset, this stocks, just for you. And this is very useful because literally you have access to the money 24/7, 365. This is absolutely great, and this platform is totally automated. For example, I bought some Twitter. Everybody knows Twitter, isn't it? I bought some Twitter and it brought me 400%. Like this is very amazing tool, and I believe that you should try it. So if you want to try, you should go to the description panel of this video, find the link to easily get to the platform with a big discount for my subscribers. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope it was useful, and I hope you will make money online from now on and forever. Thank you so much. See you in the next videos. Bye.